let's add some extra color effects to your photos and make them stand out, make them pop in some easy steps. Let's go. You're gonna create a blank layer. You're gonna change the blend mode to screen. Double click on the right side of the layer. All right, the current layer. Drag the left slider to the right. But before you do that, press Option or Alt and split it. Drag the left side all the way to the left, the right side all the way to the right. Click OK. Click on the gradient tool. Make sure you're on linear gradient. Click on the gradient tool. Pick a complementary color to the colors you're working on. All right, I'm going to pick red. And I'm going to pick this color right here. Next important thing is you want to make sure that the blending mode is difference. Once the blend mode is a difference, you set to difference, use the gradient tool and drag your gradient tool across the photo. You don't have to drag it all the way across, right? You look at this, these are the effects already, okay? And you keep on doing it until you get combinations that you like, all right? It'll give you different combinations. You can drag different points until you come up with a beautiful combination that you like. And this is easy, really easy, real quick. It makes your photo stand out, make it pop. You can change the color if you want. Try different combination of colors, complementary colors or algonistic colors. Just keep on doing it, and whatever your creative flair is, go ahead and post your photos. Remember to just give us a like, make a comment. If you try out, let me know, and follow for more. Hello.